this is gonna be possibly my last unboxing of Big Into Energy because I already have the one I really wanted. Now I want either hope, serenity, and loyalty. And as much as I want all of them, it's just not financially responsible. And I also like a lot of the other Pop Mart characters. It's happiness! Still cute, not the one I wanted, but I like it. I think the Big Into Energy cards are my favorite so far for Labubus. And this is all of them together. Okay, should I just get one more?